Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Apple Music app for Windows step by step clearly. To download the Apple Music app for Windows, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Microsoft Store, www.microsoft.com/store. Once the page loads, look for the search bar at the top of the page. In the search bar, type Apple Music and press enter. From the search results, locate the Apple Music app. Click on the Apple Music app icon to access its page. On the app page, find the Get button. Click on the Get button to initiate the download process. You may be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Once signed in, the download will start automatically. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, you will see an option to install the app. Click on the Install button to proceed. After installation, the Apple Music app will appear in your list of installed apps. You can also find it by searching in the Windows Start menu. Click on the Apple Music app icon to launch it. When the app opens, sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't have an Apple ID, you can create one directly from the app. Once signed in, you're ready to explore and enjoy Apple Music on your Windows device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.